What's up, traders? Bright Amnan is your go down app of all things. Whether you are a complete beginner dreaming of financial freedom or an experienced trader looking to sharpen your head, we are diving in deep into charts, strategies, and mindset it takes to succeed in currency market. Get ready to transform your trading journey. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we grow. Let's grow together. Today, as you see on our screen, today we are going deep. We are going to dive deep in EURUSD. Let's take a look at EURUSD, how EURUSD is behaving at this time. So, before forgetting our strategy, what we are using a strategy called top strategy. So, this strategy is when you analyze the market from monthly to 4 hours. It's just like we start from higher time frame to lower time frame. Let's take, for example, maybe this EURUSD. Let's start analyzing the market together. Let's start for let's start on 1 hour on monthly time frame. This monthly time frame, let's draw our key point. This is our support. Let's draw our support. This is another support. This is another support up here. This is another support. This is our support areas. Then let's go to weekly to see how the market is behaving. So let's see here. So this market is trying to go up. This market, as you can see, this market crossed this side, this place, this resistance. So this this market have been here since 2024. Since 2022 up to 2024, this market have been this place for 2 years. So this market trying to come down, but it reject again to this zone. So it break this zone at this time. It has breaking this zone, this support, this resistance. It has breaking this resistance. So let's go to weekly. So on weekly, let's see let's see a bigger picture on this side. So a bigger picture is when the market break this resistance, the market retraces. As you know, this is the rules of our strategy. This the rule of the strategy. My strategy is when the market break the resistance or the support level, to it to confirm like this market it has changed the direction. The market must come and they pull back and touch this resistance. So when the market come and touch this resistance to act as a support, and show the upward upward and show the upward move. This is how EURUSD has been behaving this week and there are a couple of weeks ago. So this market are expecting this market to go up. This is how is the market. This market you are expecting EURUSD to go up to this point. This is the place where we are expecting, we are expecting this EURUSD to catch. Yeah. So when you are in this market, this is a very good pips. Let's go to daily just for confirmation, because we in our according to our rules we say we enter trade in 4 hours or day. We don't enter trade in 1 month or weekly, because this is a big time frame. So when you see like this, maybe you want to enter trade in a 1 hour on 1 month or in a weekly, it's just like it take a lot of time. So that's why we come to lower time frame just for to confirm is that we use day 4 hours and day in daily time frame just for execution and entry. Yeah, because so this market have been long this market from this side, from here, because I've been here. So my next target, my next target is like this, up to this side. My total was there. This is a ratio of maybe this is a ratio of 5. That's a good reward ratio. This is a good RR. Yeah, this is a good RR. So because for most of people, if you are not in this trade, if you are not in this trade, so the only thing that you can wait for you to confirm this trade, let's maybe draw our maybe support. This is not a correct one. So the only thing that we want just for someone who is not in this trade, for you to confirm this trade, it will go up without sweeping your stop loss. Just wait this trade to consolidate on in a daily time frame. When it consolidates in a daily time frame, I think it consolidates somewhere around here, because in in our rules, what we say is just market consolidate on 60% of the time, allow trade at 40% of the time. So when you see this market like this, so the probability of this market just consolidating before it reach here, because the market will not give you these pips like that. Like maybe you are relaxing from nowhere, maybe the market just decide to give you the whole of these pips. So the market will consolidate at this like maybe at the middle here, or maybe somewhere just somewhere around this area. The market must consolidate. When the market consolidate at this area, so that's when you get another opportunity. So this when the market consolidate, then it will show like when it break the resistance. So that means this market it has get an opportunity to go out to reach this point at the 1.22. So this market, it has when it consolidate and break the resistance, so this market will get an opportunity to reach at this time up here. So that's it for EURUSD. I have this thing. It's like when you go to 4 hours, let's go to 4 hours, maybe see something. So in 4 hours, this market has consolidated at this side, at this area. So when the market it has consolidated on 4 hours, but it will not mean maybe we confirm that this 4 hours, this market we enter this trade, because maybe this market, the purpose of this market to come, maybe you when you put your stop loss here, it will eventually it will swap this your stop loss. So the best thing is just wait the market consolidate on daily. When the market finish consolidating on a daily time frame, maybe it consolidate on maybe 4 to 5 candles. 4 to 5 candles, that's maybe a week. So maybe when you see a problem, it consolidate maybe 3 to 4. Yeah. So that's when we enter this market up to, if you are not in this trade. Yeah. I hope that is maybe something like people understand. Yeah. So that is it for EURUSD, because our next target is here. So for we to confirm this market, yeah, because I've seen this market. The next level is here. Yeah, that is it. This is we are going to grab this one. This is our thing. This is our thing. This is our thing. This is our thing, guys. So let's see another pair. Maybe let's see. I hope everything is clear on EURUSD. If it's not clear, just watch the video 2 times or 3 times, just to make it understand, make you understand, make you understand very well. Let's go next to another pair. Let's go to maybe let's try to, because when you see this market, when you see euro and the GBP USD, these are like they are the same. Look at this now. Look, but maybe let me refresh this. Let's start for monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, this is the support level. This is the support. This is the support. Another support is here, because let's draw from here. Because of this, I hope this is something. Let's draw from here. Yeah, that's another. Let's draw another support, because when this market will stop here, the next level of this market, it will be this place. The the next level. The next level of this market, it will be this place. Yeah, that's it. That's the next level of this market, because what we say, market move from zone to zone. That's something that's something we really need to see in every when we open our trading view. That's the first thing we just see in the morning. Maybe when you wake up in the morning, you want to open your trading view, just know where the market is ending. Just like this market, just for you, for your highs, this market is ending just upward. So for you, because this monthly is just like, these are our footprint, like it shows this market is going up. So there is no need for you, just maybe you can you come, you try to sell this market. Even it is impossible for you to sell this market, and you see the market is going up, and you, it's just like, maybe this is like, maybe you want to run, but something is dragging you up. Eventually you're gonna fail, you're gonna fall down. That's why I'm trying to pass this. When you enter market on a monthly time frame, just know the monthly is pointing upward. Then go to weekly and see if the weekly is pointing the same direction as monthly time frame. When you see these two time frame are pointing the same place, just know that if every trade you take on this market, the trade must be, maybe if the trade must be corresponding with the two time frame, monthly and weekly. If monthly is pointing up, weekly is pointing up, any trade you take must be pointing up, because there's no maybe a scenario you can tell me like, I've seen the market is on a weekly time frame is going up, monthly is going up, and then you go on a 4 hours time frame. Maybe let's start on daily. On a daily time frame, then even you have seen this. Maybe for example, let's take for example at this point. Let me have this draw so that maybe you people you can understand this. Maybe let's say I have another one. Don't know. Let's leave it. So maybe this market you have seen in 4 hours, 4 hours, because you have not seen on a weekly or a monthly time frame. This market is up, pointing up. So when you come in this trade, because you have seen in a daily, you start maybe in daily, you see this market has come resistant. It has resist from here, resist. So according to you, because this market has resist from here, and the resistance has happened here many times, maybe one, two, maybe four times, maybe multiple times. So when you see this candle pointing up, down, so eventually you think like this market is going down. The market has started to change the direction, because you have not confirmed in a monthly time frame or in a weekly time frame if they are going in the same direction of them. So you will eventually enter this trade at 4 hours. Maybe let's take for example in 4 hours. Yeah. Then maybe you enter this trade at this point, because maybe you draw a trend line, like something like that. Yeah. uh, like maybe like you wait this market to maybe to touch this line, or you enter this trade. So you are targeting the market, the trade will come down. So eventually the market reverse at the same point, because according to monthly and weekly time frame, the market is pointing up. So there is no need for you, just them you that means you are forcing the market to go down. Just you are forcing it, because you are not trading the market, you are just forcing it. That's why it is recommendable, just check on weekly and monthly time frame, just to get the confirmation. I hope that's something that is making sense right now, because I've seen a lot of people are suffering in these things because people want to trade but they don't know the market is going in which direction. It's just like that's like you wake up, you put buy and sell, because that's something, and even a person without even forex knowledge can do that. It's just like buy and sell. Simple thing. You just click buy, then press sell. Simple. No? So what we need here is just like just have a very pure knowledge of about it. Everything we are doing here, we are doing just in pure knowledge about it. Because when you see this market, when so for example, this market, when you go to weekly, so this market, yeah, because this weekly has confirmed this market is going up, because uh, this is the bullish engulfing candle. So when it show bullish engulfing candle, this market is going up. So this market, the next level of this market is just touching this line. Simple. That's something like you can see even when you are full, when even when you have one high. This is something like you can see like this. This market is going up. So the next thing, just wait the just you I find you can buy this market, because I'm not in this trade, because like I was in this trade, but around here, just around this, so I see this is the morning star, so that's where I got out of this trade. But I've been this trade up to this place, something like that, because when you see this market low, lower low, low high, lower low, low high, lower low, low high, lower low, low high, lower low, low high. Simple. This is something like you can see on your eye, with your eyes. This is something like you can see. I've seen like simple like that. So this market, the next level of this GBP USD at this point. But for now, I will wait, because I will wait this market as long as this market to break here, or just to show me when it reach here, just to show me maybe a reversal of this up to here. But for now, let's wait this market to break either this point, or show the reverse, the reverse indicator. Maybe if I can, maybe when it form here, maybe bullish mini bearish engulfing candle. That's something like it will point the market at point down. But for now, let's wait for the confirmation. Let's wait this market for now. But for now, the only pair I want just us to trade is just EURUSD, because EURUSD is something like juicy. I think this market is going up, guys. This market is going. This market is just juicy. Just like you take a cup of tea, drink, relax. For just like what's the meaning of just a lot of people, when I hear a lot of people, they say, hey, I go to financial this, I go to forex because I just want to my freedom time. Like this is the thing, because this market, when you analyze the market from monthly, weekly, daily, for an year and 4 hours, there's no need for you just to keep seeing at your, maybe to sit on your desktop, maybe on your computer, just sitting like this, like waiting for the market, as if like. Oh, that's why I would not recommend maybe someone to trade on 15 minutes. That's something like maybe it will give you a lot of stress. But for now, let's finish. Let's close from here for today. So my guys, just forget to subscribe. Don't forget to just subscribe. Just subscribe the channel, so that when I post the next video, you'll get it, because I will be analyzing this market every week. So I will give you, because I've seen this. Today is Sunday, today is Monday. Yeah, today is Monday, at around 1 p.m, 1 a.m. So at night, when the market, forex market, start on Monday. So that's why I'm analyzing it live from it. So every Monday I will be coming here to update you the market, how the market will go on that week. So for without anything, just smash the subscribe button. So see you in another video, guys. Bye.